All right, welcome back. Guess what we're doing today, Sarah?
Playing with my sled?
Butt stuff.
Oh boy.
Okay, so Sarah's sled is a 2012 and mine's a 2015, and the new seats started coming out in 2015, 2016. Should be backward compatible. And you rode that one, and what did you think?
I liked it a little bit better. It was softer and squishier. I also liked the riding position where my knees were. It's a little narrower, so I felt like I could actually grip on a little bit better.
Rock hard?
Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of give to it at all. I get bucked around when I hit bumps.
All right, let's swap it out quick. I think there's just one connector because you have a heated seat. And so if you want this seat, the new seat, we just have to swap this heated seat element.
Yeah, that is clutch. We're definitely keeping that. Oh yeah, that's squishier.
Better?
Yeah, look at it. You can even see it like cushions your bottom.
Okay, cool. Well, let's pull them both in. You're going to start pulling staples, and then we'll swap the heated seat element and staple them back.
So first of all, I just wanted to show the original seat all put back together. Ooh. Okay, so I threaded this through, have it kind of marked where it's going to go after the adhesive is on. I'm going to use this spray adhesive, spray on the foam and spray on the underside, and then lay it flat. I'm doing it out on the snow so that I don't get adhesive all over the deck, and hopefully it's not too windy that it just blows all over me. Okay, that turned out really well, and I used a little heat-resistant clear dressing just to reinforce the parts that had ripped through a little bit and to tape that down. That's just over the hole where the wiring harness goes through. So I think that this turned out pretty well. So now to staple it all back together and hopefully line up the vinyl a little better than it was before too. Okay, well, there's the final product. I think it turned out pretty well. So the heated seat element's right in there, and I stitched up a couple little parts that were coming apart and stapled it back together, and looking pretty good.
All right, Sarah finished wrapping up that seat. It looks pretty great. It looks like the material changed between 2015 and 2016. Went to kind of more of this anti-slip material. This is a little slipperier. So we need to put that heated seat on this sled, put a battery in this sled, and then I need to replace the snow flap and fix the heated seat switch. Got less than a day before we're headed up north, so let's pitter patter. All right, that looks good. So the heated switch broke too. I got a whole new switch, but I think I'm just going to swap the cover because this is the only thing wrong with it. So this is what it looked like. Yep, mint. Way easier than changing the whole switch. All right, test ride. We're going to be going up north in just a couple hours, so hopefully this goes well. Otherwise, new seat. You feel anything yet?
I definitely felt it yesterday, though. Did you? Nice.
Yeah, you gotta put your hand on there. Yeah, it's working. Good job, babe. Yeah, this is how you get girls on the snow wheeling. Heated seat.
I was into it before, but it was definitely a level up moment for me.
You're gonna strap it?
I love it, man.
All those high speeds.
Yeah. Says the guy who's hit trees how many times?
Yeah, these 4-strokes are pretty quick. I think the crappiest part about them is, listen. It sounds like a tractor.
Aww.
Much butter.
Yeah, it's great. You definitely fixed whatever it was doing with the rear end last year.
A lot of rear end talk in this one. Last year, Sarah's sled was like trying to slide out around all the corners, and what wound up being the issue was the rear hub. All the bearings were failing. So that's a J&T tri-hub replacement. I'll put a link right here if you want to see how to do that. But yeah. All right, I think we're ready. The windshield's on, heated seat, nice and squishy. Good job, babe.
Thanks. I can't believe that didn't like disintegrate or break, or that I pulled it off, so.
All right, well, stay tuned, guys. Cheers.
Wish us luck. No trees. Turn off tree magnet.